Welcome to Dumpee Dumpsters, where your waste disposal needs meet convenience and affordability. Our mission is to simplify your project by providing top-notch dumpster rental in North Augusta, Georgia. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to efficiency with our range of dumpsters suitable for any residential or commercial project. We've got you covered with prompt delivery and pickup from renovations to construction sites. With Dumpee Dumpsters, you can trust in our commitment to environmental responsibility. We prioritize eco-friendly waste management practices, ensuring your debris is handled carefully and sustainably. Transform your cleanup process into a breeze with our hassle-free rental experience. Our user-friendly website allows you to book your dumpster rental in North Augusta, Georgia, with just a few clicks, saving you time and effort. Need assistance in choosing the right dumpster size for your project? Our knowledgeable team is here to help. We'll work with you to determine the perfect fit for your needs, ensuring efficient waste management from start to finish. Visit our website at www.dumpeedumpsters.com Dumpster Rental North Augusta or call us today at 706-383-7007 for more information on our services and pricing options. Dumpee Dumpsters, your trusted partner for dumpster rental in North Augusta, Georgia. Let's make your cleanup process a smooth ride.